JavaScript. So in this session, we will be learning about where to place a JavaScript. So let's start. First, we will be learning about how we can place and add a function in the JavaScript head section part. And then we will be learning about JavaScript and body tag. That means how to spell a script in a body tag, how we can align a function inside a body tag as well as inside a script tag as well. So let's start. So in this session, we will be learning how we can change our original paragraph after click of a button. For example, if you can see in the output screen, now here we have written original paragraph. Now I want to change that particular paragraph. So simply I'll just click in this button, right, and the paragraph has been changed. So likewise, with the help of the JavaScript tag, we can make use of all these functions. So let's see how we have done this particular code. So first I'm erasing the whole code. We will save the particular file and reload the output. Now, before starting with the code, first I have taken one simple blank file. I have saved that file with .html extension. Now, I will first write a simple HTML structure first. Okay. In title, we will be giving as where to place JavaScript. Okay. Or we can just add tags as well. After that, now first topic we will be learning about how we can place a script tag inside a head section or a head tag. So let's start. So after the title and before closing the head section, we will make use of script tag. Now we have learned how to use a script tag in back few lectures. So you must be now familiar how we can use a script tag. So I'll just simply mention script tag. Okay. Now type is text and JavaScript. Now inside the script tag, now we will be making use of function. Now function represent all the program, that is now try now, that is a function. All the content inside that programming language or into that particular section will be working as a function for that particular code. So your first a keyword is function. After that we have to mention a function name. Now a function name can be anything. For now I am taking my function and rounded bracket. So my function name will be represented with any name which I want, preceding with double rounded bracket. Okay, so this is how we can represent a function. So simply keyword and then my name of a function code. After that I'll make use of curly bracket to make a sentence collate into that function. That is, it will define that then my function is starting from this curly bracket and ending to this curly bracket. In tags, what we do, we just write a particular tag and end tag with the black slash. So likewise in function, we will start tag with the particular curly braces and end with the curly braces as well. Inside which I will write a simple document, that is document dot get element by ID. Okay. And I'll just specify here demo. Now why we specify here demo? Because we have to take a paragraph tag inside which we have to give ID as a demo. So we have learned all this process in few lectures. So you have mentioning a paragraph tag in body, ID as demo. So this demo is been replaced or replicating this particular demo. So I have written get element by ID demo. After that, I'll just write dot inner HTML and whatever particular paragraph which I want to display after clicking my particular button. So here I have to place a paragraph, that is change paragraph. You can write any sentence you want. Okay, changed paragraph after clicking button. Okay. After that, we'll just give semicolon and a curly braces is closed. Script tag is also closed. So likewise, we can make use of this particular function. After this part, we will be making use of inside the body tag. I'll just first specify the heading H2, and we will give heading as demo JavaScript, which will be steady into a particular output. Okay, input JavaScript. Let's see the output first, if we get some kind of output or no. So I'll just make, so as you can see, only my second, this is H2 has been displayed, nothing else. We have written so much of code, but nothing else has been displayed. So I have written H2 demo JavaScript. Now, they have also specified one paragraph. After that, we need a button so that we can create a function, that is after clicking some kind of button or scrolling some kind of situation in a page, the particular paragraph should be displayed. So here I am using or making use of button function. So I'll write button, inside which I'll give type as button. I just want my button to work as button rather than working something else. So I'll just specify button again. After that, now in HTML we have learned different types of button functionalities. Now here I will be using the on click event. Okay, so on click, and I'll just specify my function name, which we have done already. That is, we have created one function here, my function inside the script tag. So we will just make use of that name, that is my function, and two rounded bracket. Okay, so this much is done. After that, let's see the output first. Okay, so as you can see, one button has been created, but we can't see that button, or we can't see anything written on the button. So write that button or display or something written on the button, we have to specify here. That is, after the button tag, we to specify try it now. Okay, we'll just save the file and run the file. So as you can see, now try it now has been displayed. After clicking this button, I have got my paragraph, change paragraph after clicking the button. So likewise, you can make use of script tag and function tag as well as button tag to display your particular paragraph or to change your paragraph. Now, if you can see and observe, there is no paragraph. I'm clicking it and the paragraph has been displayed. Now, if I want my paragraph to be displayed at the time of the output differently and after clicking the button differently, so how we can do that? We just have to simply specify inside this paragraph tag from which we have given ID. I'll just write before, or we can just mention as original paragraph. Okay, let's save the particular code and let's see the output. So as you can see, one particular original paragraph has been displayed. Now, after clicking try it now, my paragraph has been changed. So likewise, you can make use of n number of functions inside the JavaScript tag or script tag inside the head section as well. So in next session, we will be learning about how we can display same function inside the body tag itself. Now we have done script tag inside the head section, and after that, the button part inside the body section. So in this session, this much only. Thank you.